Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Wajahat from Herald City School, and I am going to teach you the book GABA Computer Today for class 7. Chapter number 1, Computer System, and in this video I am going to teach you about computer network, its advantages and disadvantages, components, types and topologies of network, and transmission channels. Computer network. When two or more computers linked together for sharing resources and files, it is called computer network. Advantages of network. Speed. We can send files on the network faster than the manual sending. Resource sharing. We can share resources like printers on the network. Disadvantages of network. Theft. People can steal our data on the network. Traffic. When the traffic increases on the network, the performance of the network degrades. Components of network. Server. Server is a head computer that manages the network. Workstation. Workstation is a computer on the network for personal use. NIC Network Interface Card is a piece of hardware that is used to connect computers on the network. Transmission channels. Each computer on the network is connected through transmission channels. These channels can be wired or wireless. Types of network. LAN is a network within a building. WAN is a network across the cities and countries. Client-server network is a network in which all the computers work as the client of a powerful server computer. Peer-to-peer network is a network in which all the computers connected to each other without the server. Network topology. The physical arrangement of computers to form a network is called topology. Types of topologies. In bus topology, all the computers are connected to a main single cable. In star topology, all the computers are connected to a central connection point called hub. In ring topology, all the data travels from computer to computer through a ring in the same direction. Transmission channels. The medium used for transmission of data between computers in the network is called transmission channel. This transmission channel can be wired or wireless. In wired network, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable and fiber optic cable can be used. And in wireless network, microwave, Bluetooth and infrared signals can be used.